What if the job you're training for won't exist in 5 years? What if the skills you worked so hard to learn are already becoming obsolete? And what if the biggest opportunity of your lifetime is hidden inside this disruption? Because AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's redesigning the entire idea of work. For decades, every technological revolution has brought fear. When machines replaced manual labor, millions worried. When computers entered offices, people panicked. And now, AI? But this time feels different. Because AI doesn't just replace physical work. It replaces thinking, writing, designing, coding, decision-making. The things we once believed only humans could do. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't ask for a salary. And it learns faster than any human. In seconds, it can write articles, generate images, analyze data, build software. Entire industries are already changing. Customer support automated.
I'm processing that request right now. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Content writing AI assisted. Design AI generated. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. Let's be clear. Some jobs will disappear. Not because humans are useless, but because AI is faster, cheaper, and scalable. Examples: repetitive office work, basic data entry, simple content writing, routine customer support. If your job is predictable, it's automatable. But here's what most people get wrong. AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to replace tasks. And that changes everything. Because jobs are made of tasks. And when some tasks disappear, new ones are created.
Team, this AI is optimizing our network in real time.
It's flagging a bottleneck in Sector 7.
Good, reroute traffic through the alternate path.
Rerouting now.
Every revolution creates new roles. Roles we couldn't imagine before. AI is already creating jobs like AI prompt engineers, AI content strategists, automation specialists, human AI collaboration designers. And the biggest shift? People who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. The future doesn't belong to the strongest, or even the smartest. It belongs to the most adaptable. Skills that will matter: critical thinking, creativity, communication, problem solving, learning how to learn. Because AI can generate answers, but humans still define the questions. This isn't just a threat. It's the biggest opportunity in history. One person with AI can now do the work of 10, build businesses, create content, solve problems at scale. The barrier to entry has never been lower. So the question isn't, will AI take your job? The real question is, will you evolve with it, or be replaced by someone who did? Because the future of work isn't coming, it's already here.